Welcome back to Yarn Inspirations as well as the knitcrowd.com. I'm your host Mikey. Today I'm going to show you how to slip stitch using the knit stitch. It's called Knitwise if you're going to do it. So what you have to do is that what we're going to do is you don't knit the stitch, it's just like a slip stitch, so you got to pretend you're not going to do anything with it because you're really not. So to do a slip stitch knitwise, if it's asking you to do it, then what's going to happen is that you're going to insert your knitting needles as if you're going to knit and just transfer just like that. Okay, so to do it again, so to going into the next one, so you're just going to go in just like you see here and transfer. So that is a slip stitch knitwise.